Welcome to the first video for Riverpoint Writer. Riverpoint Writer is actually a macros program, which is a program that enables another program to create a specific type of formatting. That formatting is basically what we're going to use to create a paper in the APA format. We will go to the desktop, click on Riverpoint Writer, which will open up Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is going to pop up open. It's going to say create a paper. There's a section down here that says this paper requires an abstract. Some professors will ask you to create an abstract. The abstract is basically a summary of what the paper is all about. As of this moment, we're just going to go and create a paper. I'm going to go to the title and type in Human Resources Principles, and where right directly from the bottom to the title is going to create the running header, which is 50 characters maximum, and it's optional, but a professor will more than likely will require you to have a running header throughout the entire paper from the cover page straight down to the reference page. You will write down your name, which already, in my case, is already there embedded. However, if you're doing a group project or a combo project, combo will be just two people in a group. If it's more than one person, you would go next to your name, put a comma, and put the name Jane Doe, for example, on this one. But we're going to take that out and just go straight to leaving my name. The course number, in this case, Human Resources usually is HRM, and we're going to put code 501. The due date, we're going to go for July 1st, comma, 2014. The faculty name, the way they want to be known, either as professor, instructor, doctor. If it comes to a doctor, they may want just their first and last name, comma, PhD. However, many of them would just want to be known as doctor, and it will be the abbreviation of doctor, DR, and I'm going to put John Doe in this case. And we're going to press OK. I'm going to enlarge the page. As you see, page 2 is already created, and where I'm going to go into page 2 is that it's going to go into the Human Resources Principles, and where, as you see that blinking icon right now, that's where you can start your paper right there and then. We're going to head up and show you the cover page. As you see on your top left hand corner is going to say Human Resources Principles, which is the running header. Towards your upper right hand corner, it's going to show the page number, page 1. We go down and it's already set up perfectly, and where it has the title of the paper, the name of the author, which is the student, the code of the class, the data is due, and the name of the professor. We head right back down as we see that the cursor is blinking, and it's already indented for you to start creating your paper right at this instant point. So we therefore go right at that instant point and start writing down our thesis. Our thesis is basically 150 to 250 words in a paragraph, in where you are bringing out your main idea and the purpose of the project. In this case, the principles of human resources, which would be why is human resources useful towards businesses, society, and for people, individuals themselves. So you would have to create a statement of 150 to 250 words, and we go into your meat and potatoes, which is basically the rest of the paper, which can be anywhere between 8 to sometimes 12 pages. A lot of professors nowadays don't want to read these 14, 15, 16 page papers. Hint, you go over 12 pages, they're automatically going to give you an A. So, you know, real good grade. They just get sick and tired of reading. So at this point, creating the first part, which is the cover page, and the title is the first part that we essentially need in Riverpoint Writer. The next video will be on how to create your citations and how it automatically creates the reference page, and how to continue adding on references and using references that you might use primarily, but later on you'll use them again, and then the program will show you all the references on how to use them in that regard.